Hello everyone, I'm a Cookie. I'm a 4 years old cat, a baby of family. So today human make me a feed noodles. I want to eat now, quickly. I cannot wait. So they said yes, and then they tried to make the feed quickly, but the human cannot, cut the bone of the feet. It's like a stone, and then he put water in because he cannot cut it. So he boiled it like a soup right now. Damn, who allow you recording me? Okay, now cut garlic. Cut it. And then onion. Yeah, you should cut a lot of pie. Then put it all in the same big pot. Boil it an hour. And ginger. Yeah, I'm still waiting for dinner. You guys still... Yeah, cut. I lose my patience right now. Cookie gonna get angry. So after cut the ginger, put all of it with a pink feed. Oh, don't look at me. Just do it quickly. I'm an old cat. After that, you have to put chili, the leaf, okay, and a bunch of the thing, and mushroom. Oh, I know that. And after that, human makes a meatball. He has some flavor there like salt, a pepper, everything. I don't know, a lot of things. Barbecue sauce, yeah, oil. And after that, you gotta put the mayonnaise sauce. Yes, mayonnaise sauce, I think. Baking soda and flour. Okay, after that, mix it together. I think chili. Everything good now. Don't forget to put some spring onion. I love it. Squeeze it again. Oh, that one is noodle. Then human make a meatball. He make a lot of meatball. I think I can eat full of the day. But after he told me waiting about an hour, I lose my patience. Looking for food. Thank you for watching.